I close both valve here. Okay. Close. And we close it. Like this. Just open. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay, right now I set up already with a double drum here. Yes, this project we call free energy water pump. No use electricity. Just use the air pressure in this drum to suck the water from well, deep well, very and send deep well here. So this project we spend maybe 3 hours to set up it because we use double drum. And this project, as you can see, I use the 4 valve for filling water, and with the just input double input pipe with the one output pipe, right? And right now you can I will close it. I close, right? I close, and then I close it. So I just open, still open, and then you can see here. Yet I use with air pressure. Here, air pressure is very important. Here we can stop the air when it come back from the end of the output pipe. Make sure it cannot go into this main drum, right? This main drum. If any air go to this main drum, our project will fail, cannot success. But before we process our project or open the end of the output pipe, we have to close the valve. And otherwise, we have to fill the water to this main drum, because when we open the end of the pipe, the water will flow out, and this drum will make a pressure to suck the water from the depth well over there. So the other way, you have to use the metal drum like this. Don't use the plastic drum, because the plastic drum is not solid, right? It's easy to deform, but metal drum is solid, it's not easy to deform. And it can make a strong pressure to suck the water from the deep well here. Okay, and right now, a special way I use like this. Okay, right now I close it and then I go to open. Okay, go with me. Go to see. Okay, here. And right now you can see here, I use, you can see the end of the output pipe. And output pipe. Okay, then I start to open it. How does it work? That is right. You can see here. Now, right now it's work, right? It's so strong. The first time it's strong like this. If we leave it around 30 minutes, it will weaker and weaker. Because the first time it's strong like this, same to the electric machine. But you leave around 30 minutes, it will weaker and weaker. Even it weak, but it's not stop working. It's still working because it uses the pressure to suck the water, so it cannot strong like a electric machine, right? But this one we use to open and close if we need. If we don't need, close, and if we need, we open like this, right? Okay, I will use this one to show you how does it strong like this, right? Like this. So you can see the output pipe with the 60mm size, but the end of the output pipe I use the 34mm size, same size to the input pipe, right? It the output pipe, the end of output pipe bigger than input pipe. Our project cannot success because it's not same, it's not clean air. Okay, and you can see like this. It non-stop, right? It's good for the people in the countryside, the place without electricity. We can follow my project to set up, because we just spend a little money one time to buy some material like plastic pipe, metal drum, and then you set up it. You can do it forever until it's broken, right? This project is good for your community or village without electricity, especially in the place have a lot of water but difficult to take water from the place. This project we call free energy water pump or gravity pump. Gravity pump or free energy water pump, it just take water from the low place to the high place, right? It's not the same to the siphon system. Siphon system just take the water from high place to the deep place, different, right? A lot of people they confused about this. Okay, right now I would like to say thank you so much if you pay attention. spend the value time to see my explanation, my review in this video. Hope see you in this video. Thank you so much. Okay, and then you can see this project that I use. Okay, this kind of project, it's a little difficult to set up, but it's very good, right, for you to use because it can make a strong pressure. Like this, right? It's a good project.